Hi, so our question was a string matching. We have to return the index of a starting character uh, from where the adjacent characters are same that of the second in needle means a string in needle. Okay, that is what we have to do. So earlier what I did when I was not having a better solution that first I took the string needle and saw what is stored in it. So there was acid sad. What I did, I summed all the characters, means integer equivalent to it, whatever it is. Suppose this is equal to 38. Then what I did, I went to this here stack string and started summing out three characters at a time. That is first sad. In this case this is 38 fortunately, but let it not sad, it be sa uh, b, let it be sab. Okay, so it is not now. Okay. uh, then I moved forward to ABB. Suppose it is 21. Then consequent means in similar fashion I went up to uh, so this was what I was doing, and eventually we found 38. So when I found that uh, sequence is giving out the same sum that is of a string stored in, means sum of characters that is stored in a needle variable. Then what I did, because there is possibility, suppose this is sad and this is das, then sum of the characters in these strings is equal. If this is 38, then this would also be 38. Only the index of characters is changed, but characters are same, so sum will be equal. Okay. So that is why what we have done is then we compared line by line, sorry, index by index, whether the characters at uh, consecutive characters are same consecutively or not. So that is what I did. What is the drawback of it? Suppose I am comparing this sad. Okay. What I did first, I have calculated the sum of characters in needle. It is 38. Now what I will have to do, suppose this is sab. Okay, sab, let us change this. busdasad, let us do this. So if I want to compare, then I'll have to calculate the sum of three consecutive or adjacent characters. So suppose this s, that is this first character, is not equal to this first character in this string, then also I will have to calculate the sum of three consecutive characters to match the sum, whether sum of these characters is equal to sum of these characters is not. Although I know at first step itself that the first character is not equal to the first character of needle, then also I am calculating the sum of all the characters, and it went so on. Suppose next we will move to the second character and we will find its sum of three characters consecutively. Then again we have not first character same, that is s, there is not s, then also I will have to calculate sum of all three characters to match its sum with 38. So one major thing that I have learned from this question is that don't only move forward to find correct solution, but means correct matching, but see when there is not a correct match what we are doing. Like in this case, when I was not having match of first character to the first character of second string, then also I was calculating the sum of adjacent two characters, although I was not in need of that. That was totally uh, useless to calculate sum of consecutive adjacent three characters if I have found that the first character in here stack is not equal to first character in needle. So this is a big catch here, that don't only move forward to catch the correct match, but better also you see what is happening when there is not a match. Am I doing something and that is not required if I have already found that this process is not going to work at all. So this is important thing that I have found it here, and rest of the thing goes on like if we follow the correct method, although both are correct, but better and efficient method is that suppose the first character is same in both of them, and second is not same. So what we have to do, we have to look for um, this first character is same, then we will look for the second character. If not, then length of the terminating, like according to the code we have there, what we are doing here is, hmm, so this is a better code someone have written over there. uh, See, mm, if the second character is not same and first character was same, then what will happen, that length of the uh, means terminating index would not equal to the would not be equal to the length of uh, the needle variable, because if all three character matches, then only length of the terminating, that is this I value of this I would be 3 or 2 in this case, because this is zero interest. So question was not hard in itself, although last process I have escaped and not want to explicate more, because it is self-explanatory if realized, uh, if focused or if visualized. Okay, but catch was that then that to see whether you are uh, wasting your time on something that is pre-assumed to not be futile.